Alright, hi if anyone is watching. I don't know if anyone is, but I'm just here to stream for the heck of it, because this is being recorded. We are currently working on this relay computer. For those who don't know, these relays are going to be acting as a transistor. This relay computer is built by a guy named Joe Allen. It's gonna be really cool once this is done. We're gonna go clickety clack. Where we left off last was these IC sockets that we can throw these relays into. So we're just kind of in the boring part, in my opinion. But yeah, if you just want to chill and watch some soldering, this is the channel for you. So I guess we'll get started. I probably won't be talking too much. Be focusing on this. So we got some background music by StreamBeats. So I'm just working on kind of getting these tacked in there. I'm not gonna solder all these just yet, because the problem is, if you notice, here's the get that on the scope. This guy and this guy, they're a little off. For someone who's watching, it ain't right. But yeah, it's a little, not aligned, but for those OCD out there, that might bug you. Kind of bugs me a little bit. That's okay. So what we're gonna do is, this Captain Tape is holding things down. Oh, he tapped it in here. So now what we can do is go back. I can get my hand under here. And with my finger under my left hand, I can press and then make sure these are nice and flush with the board. That one had some movement. Good thing we're going back and checking my work this time. Yeah, that's the cool thing about this. It's just a little learning process. Yeah, that one had some movement. Ooh, that got hot. Yeah, the center ones usually have a little bit more movement. I missed that one. Alright, we're gonna go back and solder that out for a sec. Oh, cool. Cool. Alright. Let's do the tedious task of all of these pins. I need to calculate how many individual solder points is this, because this is what? Got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? I thought there was 8. Oh yeah, there's 8 pins on one side. So 16 total for these ICU sockets. Multiply that by what? 9 is 72 just in this one. Crap. How many rows do we have? 4 rows like this. So if you do 2 times 4, that would be what, 8? 280 just in these 4, and then not counting these, so that's probably another 400 and something. Quite a bit. Hey, that's why we're nerds. Sorry, guys. Sorry, just shut it down. far so good. Got the scope. Looking Gucci. It's getting a little gnarly there. Oh, come on, I have to get the flux. Flux core ain't doing anything. That's everybody. Sweet. Alright. I see sockets. 12. Alright, who's next? Pretty straight. So now we have what side should I do next? Even it out, I guess I'll do this one on the right. Okay, make some audio adjustments. Thanks, babe. Let me know. Hopefully you can hear me now a little better. Just lowered the music just a hair. It is noisy music. I like it. It's like synthwave by StreamBeats. Apparently it's supposed to be royalty free. We'll see if YouTube one of the other streaming services I'm on decides to spank me for copyright. What did I do with my captain tape? ADHD mode. Here it is. Big old mess on my desktop. Hold it on so we can get things tacked in. Alright, I'll take a quick break real quick. Alright, that. Had to get my pee. A request, as someone would call it. Yep, cool. Got that row in. Let's start soldering some more. Well, I can do it this way. There we go. Soldering iron went to sleep. Come on, there you go. Sure everything's flush. Switch these real quick. That's interesting. Some of these seem to seat alright, but a few of these, you know, like that one. I don't know if y'all can see that move. Or that one, wow. Yeah, no plus one. Okay. Double check our work, make sure we're seated before we solder everybody. Where's that one? One of these doesn't look good. Team fan. Yeah, I guess it's there. Yeah, whatever. Cool. Good enough. So yeah, you know, it's been a while since I streamed this. I think 15 weeks is what the YouTube or whatever said on one of the streaming platforms. But, it's been a while. Guess things got kind of busy, but no, I'm just doing this for fun. If anyone is watching right now, I really appreciate it. Hopefully some people take interest in this. That Joe Allen guy, if he's out there, pretty cool dude. You should check out his channel. He's got a completed version of this, and hopefully we see this completed. I just gotta assemble it. Yeah, it's gonna be cool once we get this on. Get to hear the clickety clack. You know actually what this music reminds me of? Kind of a random thought, but any of y'all ever watched the movie Tron? Tron! Kind of like the actor Jeff, I forget his last name, but I think I sound like him. I don't know. Maybe not. That's okay. But yeah, this music kind of reminds me of that. Jeff Bridges, I think, is his name. Which Tron, I think the third Tron is coming out October? I can't remember. I think someone's taking me out to go see it though. Oh, it should be pretty fun. I'm excited. Alright. That row's done. Alright, check everybody out on the scope. Yeah, looks decent. Alright. It's getting populated. Well, I'm gonna have to track down some more IC sockets. I don't think I have them. Ooh, if y'all could see this, man, everything's a mess. I've been busy. Haven't had time for much. Ooh, hey, I think I found me. Ka-chow. Ka-chow. Alright, I think there was a 10 sockets. Let's see. They look like 8 pinners to me. Yep, empty. Yeah, get rid of it. You know what? We might finish out all the relays rows tonight. We're what? 37. Well, actually, we might not. 37 minutes in. Either that, I might finish off camera. Let's see here. Let's see if we can't haul butt. Kind of messed this one up, but all we gotta do is just have these pulled down just enough where I can do this, flip it over. There we go. Alright, so again, what I'm doing is just going through, tacking down these sockets. So we can later go back in a second and get them flush. Alright. I wonder if the scope could see that. Well, this one got pretty flush. How about this next one? So what I'm doing with my left hand is pushing on that. Ooh, that one popped. That one popped too. Hey, you can kind of see that on the scope. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah, here. Ooh, that one moved a lot. Ooh, yeah. I don't know if y'all saw that. So, watch. It's a little blurry. Watch these pins. See if you can see them. I don't know if this one's gonna move. This one's still seated. Yeah, this one's seated pretty good. But so what we're doing is make sure these sockets are well seated on to the board, or else when we go in and add the relays, which a few of them are gonna be misaligned, but they'll just look a little funky. Won't look as good. Well, that's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Switch over to main camera real quick and get that music. Cool, there we go. For attribution rights and everything, we want to follow the rules so I don't get banned. Yeah. There's Heller, StreamBeats, pretty cool stuff. after this row we have 3 more left, I hope. I think we can get through it. Okay. That row is done. Tres más. Let's do it. And we'll be done with the relay IC sockets. Have a few more. I don't know where it's at in the instructions, and I don't have the instructions pulled up right now. Symmetrical. Ooh, that one. Oh no. Never mind. That wasn't real. Alright. Alright, let's do that first set. Yeah, I did it again. Probably tired. I might be making some mistakes. There's probably someone out there yelling at their screen. You're not doing it right! Sorry. Sorry, not sorry? I don't know. I'm not left-handed. Let's see here. Bridge that. No, I didn't. Okay. I think that's everybody. 2 more rows. Save the easiest one for last. This one on the right doesn't have as many as, of course, with the one on the left. Got a few. I'm gonna need some more icy sockets. We're on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need 4 moss. 2, 3, 4. Alright, we're gonna finish the relay IC sockets out. That's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be funny once we put all the relays in there, and we're gonna be misaligned. It's gonna look, it ain't gonna look right, but you know, hey, if it works, does it really matter? Does it? Probably not. But that's it. So I don't know if I mentioned a few streams ago, since it's been a minute, but man, what I would love to work up to is, I've got an old PlayStation 3. I think it's the A model. I forget, one of the first ones that's backwards compatible with PlayStation 2 games. And for those who don't know, there's something called bump gate? I can't remember. But anyway, the way the GPU, the graphics processor, was manufactured, there's a defect in the way they were manufactured, so they weren't manufactured very well. And after a while, you know, like Xbox 360, I don't know if anyone remembers the Red Ring of Death, kind of similar thing. Over time, heat would kind of break apart solder joints. Kind of have that's just a high-level view of it, but eventually PlayStation 3 would be inoperable. Someone out there figured out that you can get one of the newer model PlayStation 3s that has the revisioned graphics processor on it, and you can desolder it from the new PlayStation 3, the chip itself. So yeah, you can desolder it from the chip, the chip itself. You can desolder it from the donor PlayStation 3. Pull the defective chip off the old PlayStation 3, backwards compatible one. Flash, do some fancy hacking flash firmware, and then what? Did this fall out? I don't know what they're doing. But they're not quite there. I think they're grabbing enough. But anyway, yeah, it's called the Frankenstein mod. Look it up if you're interested in it. But you gotta be good at soldering ball surface mount joints, which I have no experience doing that. Hey, it would be a fun little project, and if you can get a PlayStation 3 that would be indefinitely, you know, like good for these years to come, that'd be pretty sweet. Also, you know what blows my mind? PlayStation 3 is as old as it is. I can't believe it. Where did the time go, everybody? Out the window. Maybe that one maybe. Let's see. Okay, I think we're gonna get a lot of movements on these. And you can tell those pins didn't. Ooh, yeah. See that one? And this one too. Yep. Clunk. 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 I guess that one's seated. Alright. Double check everybody. Push the pin out of that one. Alright. Whatever. Cool. Looking good. Let's solder. So yeah, I guess to kind of recap, this relay computer, it's a kit you can buy from this guy named Joe Allen. fact, I think his yeah, he's got his little signature right there. Man, he designed this in 2017, so this is pretty old design, I guess. Almost 10 years old now, but it's a good little learning tool. Low level, kind of how a processor works, how you program processors. So yeah, cruising right along though, getting all these IC sockets soldered in. So you could either solder the relay directly to the board, but he recommended throwing in these sockets because you could burn out a relay. It'd be a pain in the butt to desolder everything. Skipping some pins. Crap. I'm getting tired, I guess. It's pretty late here. If anyone's on, they're still awake. Appreciate you stopping by. Just doing some soldering. Sorry guys, that's off scope. Cool, that's everybody. One row left. Alright. I think when I started this, was like, yeah, this will be like a 10. No, not even 10 part. I think I said like maybe a 6 part. Here we are on part 5, and I'm not even done with these IC sockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who else? Okay, the relay sockets are almost done. I got some sockets down here that I need to put, but we can do that maybe next video. There's not too many down here. And then it'll be pretty cool once we start There we go. Buttons are gonna go here. There's a display that goes here. Some IC chips, actual chips go there. A few up there too, memory registers, things like that. But the relay sockets, everything up here is almost done. We're gonna do that. But we're about an hour in, hour 9 minutes in. I kind of don't like the song. I don't know about y'all. Some people might, but I don't like it. Captain Kit, what do I do here? Oh, there it is. Found it. Alright, you know the drill. Let's get these caps in. You at? That might be the end of the playlist, I think. Oh, nope, I got one more. It's only 2 or 3 minutes long, but I don't... Man, that would have been perfect to find one more song in the playlist. Oh, it actually probably would have been if I would have not skipped that one song. I don't think I'm going to finish this in 2 or 3 minutes. All right. Nearly had it. I was down to the last socket. That would be a good song to end on, though. Okay, I think that's everybody. All right. All right, fam, team, if anyone's watching still, we did it. Turn off the solder. We did it. We got all the IC sockets. Focus. Focus. All right. That's awesome. So everything is good to go. I guess we'll catch you next time. Oh, hang on. I got y'all for a little bit. Let's see. We can bring up the instructions. Yeah, there we go. What's next? We did all the resistors. We did the diodes, IC sockets. We're still gonna be in IC socket world, but there's not too many left, because you know they are. There's some here, I think some down here. But hey, that's the big stuff. Some stuff that's gonna take a while. There's LEDs that go here, but that should be it. If anyone's still watching, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for sticking out. We'll catch you next time.